Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you have been searching for social entertainment apps where creators can connect with users and receive virtual gifts, today's video is for you. In this review, we will take a look at Olamet app, including how it works, how to become host, and features, available reward and withdrawal process depending on your region. I will also share some important things you should know before joining, so make sure you watch until the end. If you enjoy honest app reviews and online earning tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell. Now let's get started. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The information in this video is based on the feature and material available at the time of recording. Platform policies and reward may change over time, and any rewards or earnings depend on the factors such as your activities, audience engagement, future gift received, and the platform current rules. Results are different from the creators and no income is guaranteed. Now, what is Olamet? Olamet is a social entertainment platform where users can interact through live features and creators can build an audience. Depending on your region and account status, the platform may include video interaction, virtual gift, daily activities, and social events for eligible hosts. It means its main goal is to connect creators with users in an interact environment. Now, how to get started? Getting started is very straightforward. You can simply go to Play Store to download Olamet or simply visit their website to register your account. You just need to create your account using email or your phone number. Complete your profile with a clear and accurate information. Follow any identity verification or onboarding step required by the platform. If needed, join an approved agency before starting as an host. Always read the latest platform rules before using any earnings features. Now, features available to hosts. Here are some of the features available on Olamet. Okay, let's look one by one. Virtual gifts. Users can send virtual gifts during interactions. The gifts contribute to creators' accounts according to the platform policy. Now, daily activities. The app may offer activities-based tasks that provide additional reward for eligible hosts who complete them. New host activities. At certain time, Olamet may run welcome activities for new creators who complete beginners objectives. Availability can change depending on promotional or location. Now, social events. The platform also runs seasonal campaigns and special events where eligible creators can receive extra rewards. Now, how to withdraw. Before using any platform, it's important to understand the withdrawal process according to the information currently available. Um, Eligible hosts can request withdrawals after meeting the platform requirements. The minimum withdrawal amount and the payment method may vary depending on your region and the latest platform rules. Always verify the latest information inside the app before requesting a payout. Now, what I like about this app is simple registration process, multiple creators features, daily activities for active users, regular platform events, opportunities to grow an audience over time. Things to keep in mind, like any creator platform, building an audience takes time. Reward depends on user engagement and platform activities. Features and promotions can change. Always follow the platform community guidelines and terms and services. Final thoughts. If you are looking for another creator fast social entertainment app, Olamet may be worth exploring. Before joining, take time to understand the platform, complete your profile carefully and review the latest official policy. As with an online platform, focus on creating a positive experience and building genuine engagement. I hope this review help you understand how Olamet work. If you would like to see more reviews of creators and live streaming app, let me know in the comment sections. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you found it useful. Thanks for watching my video and I see you in my next video. Bye.